The Yekaterinburg Metro is a rapid transit system that serves the city of Yekaterinburg, Russia. The metro opened on the 26th of April 1991, and is 12.7 kilometers long and serves 9 stations. The Yekaterinburg Metro was the 13th and last metro to open in the USSR history. Yekaterinburg, formerly called Sverdlovsk, was always known as the informal capital of the Urals, a natural divide between Europe and Asia, between European Russia and Siberia. The city grew very rapidly because it was an important industrial center and a transport hub. Plans for a rapid transit system began in the late 1970s, and in 1980 construction began. The city's uneven landscape, as well as its layout with a very dense city center, prompted to combine deep and shallow stations. On the 26th of April 1991, the 6th metro of Russia and the 13th and last metro of the Soviet Union, which ceased to exist only a few months later, was finally opened to the public. However, the economic crisis of the early 1990s rocked the metro very hard, and the first stage encompassed only 3 stations. However, then Russian President Boris Yeltsin diverted state funds to complete its construction, and by 1995 the metro was doubled in length. Since then, only 2 extensions have been built. Timeline operation. The metro is a typical Soviet design, which when completed will form a triangle from 3 lines intersecting in the city center. The 8 stations comprise 12.7 kilometers of length and are split between deep and shallow. Of the latter, 4 are pillar spans and 1 is a single vault. The deep-level stations include 1 pylon, 1 column and 2 Leningrad technology single vaults, although 1 was built to a design making it appear as a single deck. Like all ex-Soviet metros, the stations are elaborately decorated, although economic hardships prevented the full original designs from being implemented. The metro is served by 1 depot at Kalinovskoye, and 62 cars are assigned to it. Ridership has improved in recent years. In 2011, the average daily ridership on the metro was 105,000. By 2012, the average daily ridership had increased to 130,000. This corresponds to an annual ridership in 2012 of approximately 47.45 million people. Plans. The construction of the Bezhovskaya station, which should be between the Geologicheskaya and Chkalovskaya, has been postponed indefinitely. The first section of the second line, with length of 4.5 kilometers, should have 4 stations: Metallurgicheskaya, Tatushchayevskaya, Ploshchad Komunarov, and Ploshchad 1905 Goda. Station Tatushchayevskaya and Ploshchad Komunarov will be near Central Stadium, which will host the FIFA World Cup 2018 matches. The opening was originally planned in 2018. However, as of May 2013 was completed only pre-development. Competition for the design itself was not yet declared, and therefore, the construction time again shifted, and by 2018, the opening is not realistic.